Hello, this is Anirudh from Softpro India, and let me tell you that Django can be used to develop any kind of websites. It can be CMS, that is Content Management System. It can be social platforms or even news sites. And Django works very thoroughly and very nicely and very friendly with any kind of client framework as well. Django का इस्तेमाल client side के लिए बहुत अच्छे से and काफ़ी यूजफुल भी रहता है. आपको मालूम होगा, आपको ये भी मालूम होगा that there is one language जिसके थ्रू Django को आप easily implement कर सकते हैं. And that language is, of course, Python. Python with Django is very trending since last many years because it's super useful not only to understand and work on it, but also build a career on it. So to learn Python with Django this summer, join Softpro India's summer training and get skilled with Python with Django. Also, a good news is that summer training is available in both offline and online modes. Definitely our edtech platform, that is PolyPrep. And offline, we have summer trainings available at our learning centers that are based in both Lucknow and NOIDA locations. Join the largest learning center of the region to learn technology and for a very happy learning.